can. Are you really gonna notice that on the bike? Ow! Got me. That on video? Nice. Tickled. Let's put this in a better spot. It's a little cold this morning. You might want to go for a ride with us and check out the same view I get. We love cars.
Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found a passion for music, never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane.
I honestly hated the first ones up way too much.
Whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane.
Wanted to say thank you to Slam Specialties for getting this fixed so quick so we can get back to driving empathy and having some fun. Press this catch up. I am so fucking confused right now. Should only be 4 volts. Are you still just fighting the same ones?
I'm fighting this one that's under the exhaust because I can barely hold the wrench on.
Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view. We're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose. 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 Got to lose.
That's why I'm shoving that down. Now I got all the tension right here.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
I gotta pull that way. It's fixable.
I won't give up, I won't back down until the line sinks in underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me.
Hey, I'm trying to bolt my seat in. Do I use 3/8 bolts or 1/2 inch bolts? And you see where all the little things are right here. See all the shiny spots that just pop up? That's where all that damage is. Not my best work. You won't even notice them.
And let's be honest, life's a competition. So if I'm going to play, then I'm gonna play to win it. I refuse to sit and rot at a desk all day unless I have a passion I'm working towards, okay?
Gotta let it cool so I don't warp anything. When you're doing stuff like this, when you're welding on really thin metal and you're tacking it, make sure you leave a lot of time in there. Make sure you can get it to where you can touch it with your hand, then you can do your next tack. That's how you keep it from moving. We've got a lot of movement because right where this is at, this whole fender wants to kind of go every which direction. So we kind of pulled and pushed. We tacked the end of it right here, and then we just kind of rounded the metal out and kind of let everything else go back where it should be, because the metal wants to go back where home is, because it's been there for so long it has memory. So all you got to do is help it.
I'd rather be dead on the outside than inside. A bullet to the head than 25 to life in a cubicle alone, just trying to get by, building someone else's dream instead of building mine.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to chase the other welds where we did them. We're going to chase them on the inside.
Just do it!
All the way down. Oh, no, damn it. Fucker. Burn through. Should have used brass. I don't even know where I put my brass. Let's let it cool all the way down. Take a little break.
If you're hearing me, this is meant to inspire. If you have a dream, or if you have desires, a girl in your life that's making you feel that fire, go fight for her man, go die for her man. Cause you only have one life, one chance to do it, one chance to prove it to yourself, so don't lose it. You got this fam, just keep pushing on through it. One day you'll look back so glad you pursued it.
You're gonna have to look from the side and tell me when I'm horizontal with this one. Fucking lock these all in, weld them in, and just fucking rock it. Yeah, let me fucking weld the rest of that bracket on. Look at that. Can weld it next to it. No, weld his weld to it, fuck it. That should hold. Set that one down, we'll let it cool. And grab the other one, I'll weld it up tighter.
Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon.
Yeah, fixing all Tim's shit welds. I mean, nothing else he welded, right? Nope, didn't mean to hit the button. Just trying to re-aim you. Alright, let's set this one on the floor, and we'll finish the other one. Alright, we'll attack it. Well, oh, I forgot the ground, damn it.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me.
Knew I should have wore flip-flops. That's why I don't wear shoes.
Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me.
Ow! Got me. That on video? Nice. That tickled. Let's put this in a better spot.
Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers.
No, don't do that again. How far did I get that? Nope, not even. Are you really gonna notice that on the bike? Not unless you're really looking for it.
I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
I think we'll just rock with that, huh? I guess good for now, huh?